Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to do another product review. Today I'm actually reviewing more of like a product in general than a specific product, but I am going to use the Armani Fluid Sheer number 7. And what I'm reviewing is pink highlighters, because a lot of the times you'll see people use like rose gold, they use like bronzy highlighters, or they use like a pale, I know champagne pop is a really popular one, but what about those bright ass pink highlighters? Like, is that just for people that are fair? Can anybody use them? And I'm here to tell you that you can use them, and your makeup will actually look a lot better if you do use them in conjunction with your other highlighters. So what do I like to do? I actually like to use something like this. I'm gonna pump out on the back of my hand so you can see how bright it is and how pink it is. So I like to use it either on top of a highlighter or by itself. But unlike other highlighters, you're not gonna apply it in a large area. You're just gonna apply it to kind of give an accent to certain parts of the face. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna apply a regular highlighter. So I'm gonna use Addiction from Laura Mercier. I'm just gonna lightly highlight so you can see what that does. So usually when you're highlighting, you're just using a highlighter that's similar to your face color, just to give it a little bit of shine and sheen in those areas. There you go, so you can see that's pretty good, but that it's like super natural, right? And that's okay for every day. But let's say if you really want it to be noticeable in photos and stuff, that's when the other highlighter comes in, and it makes such a difference. So this is what it looks like with just the Addiction. As you can see, a nice sheen, natural looking. And then when you use something like this on top, which is pink, you're gonna kind of make the area come out more and come forward and give more of a lift to that part of the face. So I'm just gonna pump out a little bit, and I'm just gonna press it on the very high points of the cheekbone. And as you can see, that area is now extremely blinding, and I'm gonna bring it up here too, on my brow bone. And you might be wondering, oh my god, but you're using liquid on top of powder. Yes, I am, because I am a really good artist and I know what I'm doing, so I can break the rules when I want to, and they'll bend to my will. Actually, before I do the other side, I'm going to show you. So this is what it looks like. Natural. Blinding. There you go. And what I really like to do is use it as a nose highlighter. Pink works much better than rose gold because it can actually reshape the nose a little bit. So I'm just going to apply it right down the middle. I'm not going to put it on the tip of the nose because my nose is pretty, it's not large, but it's round. I'm just going to do it on the bridge, and I'm going to put it on this area where it's kind of dark. And you can see it just makes it stand out more. And what I really like to do is put it on the chin. I feel like the chin's one of those areas that usually goes untouched, and it's such an important area to put highlighter because it kind of makes the whole face balanced, and it helps this area to come out a little bit more. Putting some on the Cupid's bow and on the middle of the lip. There you go. Now, to make it stand out even more, I'm gonna put some contour. So I'm gonna use the Kat Von D contour palette. And if you've never highlighted a contour before, whenever you do a highlight, you always want to do a contour, like right after, because it'll help it stand out, and make it look better. Alright, there you go. I actually haven't worn a contour, to be honest, the entire fucking year. Like, I just totally gave up on it. I felt like I looked better without it. But here it is with the contour and everything. If you don't know much about, highlighting and contour, those two go together. Like peanut butter and jelly, men, women, tops and bottoms. Alright, so that was the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope this was useful. Please use the pink highlighter if you have one, or if you haven't tried one, borrow one from your fair friend and be like, I can use this too, and prove to her that you have amazing makeup skills. So remember, you can put it after you put your regular highlighter, just on the cheekbones, down the nose, the cupid's bow, and the chin. And for flash photography, it's amazing because it makes those areas stand out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, make sure to press that bell little ringer thing on the side of subscribe so you can get a notification when I put another video out. Questions and comments, you can put them on the section down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm really good about replying if you have any questions, or if you just want to be like, feel like you're hanging out with me, because I guess that's what Instagram is for. And I'll see you on the next video.